Okay, first create one oval shape, like this type of shape. Okay, done. Yes, done. Yeah. No, this is no. This is first only one oval. Okay, this make this only one oval. After the one oval, just make it here little bit of like this. Okay, line like this. Like this. Okay, little off this line. Okay, done. Like this. Yeah, this like this. Very simple. Low like this. Okay. Now make it here, here, one oval. Okay. Hi, ma'am. Tapan here. Yeah. Is this leave that Aditya is not here? Aditya is not in class. Okay. So now after that, okay. So make it circle. First oval and class. Okay, make two small oval over here. Very simple. One, two. Very small oval here. Na kori de. Two oval like this. So now after that, okay, so create this one, two. Okay, this two line in top of it. I just make it two line. One, two. Here, after this line, two line. Okay, just make it one, two. आराम से like this. One, two. Okay. Done. Now you can create here. Okay, like this. Okay, so now here I just want to make after that, good evening beta. After that you can make here one, yeah. Okay, sure. Surely. Like this. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. This one. Okay, yeah, body one. Okay, body one first. This oval is like this. Okay, like this. Okay, this is the torso, and another I create another one circle like another oval is a pelvis. This is torso in top. This is the pelvis in down. Okay. So I just join this one. Okay. You are making here the two leg, 1 and 2. It's 2 leg. Okay, here 1 leg like this, simple. Make it simple leg like this. 1 leg is an aim and 2 leg. Okay, like this. Aim. And down is like an aim kind of 1 leg, 2 leg. Okay, like this. Take time. And here also the side also I can make that 2 leg, 1. Okay, here can take this 2 leg, 2. Okay, aram se we make the 1 curve line, 1 curve line, and here also make it the 1 oval. Okay, this is the oval, like oval. Okay, like this. M. So this is the down part. Okay, like this. Aram se, and you can make some line like this. Okay, this texture. After that, you just erasing this line. Okay, this is. Okay. Understood? Anywhere if you not understand, tell me. I just show you again. Make it nicely lined like this. Okay. This is sitting one area. This is some stone. We are making color it. Okay. Here's some stone kind of thing. Outline like this. Now wait 5 minutes. Sinner batch start. Okay, beta. It's kids batch going on still. Like this. Just make it like this. Hi Christina, good evening. Wait 2 minutes. We are just I can make like this. Some line. This is one of character of MOANA, one of movie. So I can draw with this movie. Simple. With the simple border line, I just create erasing. Okay, so it is very fast. You can nicely can color it. It's not much color for this drawing, only this pink and the gray. Okay, so just finish color last 2 minutes. Okay. Just make like this. Like this. Okay. Like this. So you can put the pink color over here. Hi guys, wait 2 minutes. We are finish. Like this. And I put the little good evening, just wait 2 minutes. Okay, we are finishing. Good evening, beta. Just little shadings we are putting over here. Okay. Like this. Okay, aram se take time. Almost finish. I can put it like this. Okay, and I put over here the gray color. The gray, dark gray. Okay, there's some stone over here. Okay. Yes, beta. Yeah. Like this only. Okay, little bit of. We have to make some little dark tone like this. Okay, and down also you can create some color. Just a minute. You can wait 2 minutes, so 1 minute more. Okay, you can create here down like this, and here you can create a little dark. So now finish. We are also sending this picture. Okay, step by step tutorial. I send it. Okay, so you can practice at home. Okay, very simple one. Piggy, this is character from the MOANA